Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Nam Gyu from Squid Game in Dress to Impress. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle and then you're going to choose no bangs, and then you're going to make it black, and you're going to put on this necklace. This is from the VIP room, but if you don't have VIP, you can skip this item, and put on this pant, and then you're going to change the tuckle, make it longer, and then you're going to apply this color, and you're going to make it light silk, and for the second selection make it white. Okay, and the next one, you're going to put on this shoes, and you're going to make it white for all the selections. Okay, like this guys. And then I'm going to go to the summer update area, put on this shirt. You're going to choose pose 28 and then make it red. Okay, make it red, and I'm going to go to the next area. Okay, here you can go to the dressing room and put on this jacket, and then you're going to make it this green color for the first selection, and for the second selection you're going to make it white and make it light silk. And the last one, you're going to put on this knife, and you're going to make it high and then apply this pattern to create bloody effect. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.